Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 10. Measurements and Motion. Knowledge acquisition. Measurement of distance is very important to decide the mode of transport one should take. Distance is the length covered between any two given points or places. In daily life, not only measurement of distance is crucial, but measurement of any quantitative identity is essential to lead our life easily. Discussion. Jack. Yes, I know how important is this chapter. Susie. Oh, how come, Jack? Jack. Yesterday I went to purchase apples with my mummy. She asked for 1 kilogram, but vendor gave her only half kg, so mummy scolded him, and thus I realized the importance of measurement. Susie. Oh, like that. Jack. Let's read the chapter. Susie. Measurement. Measurement. Definition. Quantitative analysis of unknown quantity with the help of known fixed quantity is called as measurement. The known fixed quantity is called as unit. Example of unit for length is meter and for mass is kilogram and gram. Susie, why to go for meter? I can even predict the length with the help of my palm. Jack. The palm size of everyone is different, so if a particular distance is measured by me as 7 palm, might be the case you will measure it as 7.5 palm. So for maintaining the uniformity all around, in 1790 French created a standard system of measurement called metric system. Standard unit. A unit which is acceptable by a large proportion of people as a basic system for measurement is called standard unit. The set of units accepted by scientists all over the world is called International System of Quantity. SI unit. 1 length, meter, m, 2 mass, kilogram, kg, 3 time, second, s, 4 temperature, Kelvin, K, 5 electric current, ampere, A. Units, SI units. It is a modern form of metric system, developed in 1960. The table given shows all SI units. Distance. Definition. The actual length covered by a moving body, irrespective of the direction, is called distance. The shortest straight line distance between initial and final position is called displacement. Distance is equal to speed into time, or speed is equal to distance upon time, or time is equal to distance upon speed. Critical thinking. The 3 equations of motion to determine the scientific movement of body were discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. He also discovered the gravitational force. Motion. 1. Body at rest. When any body doesn't change its position with respect to surroundings and with respect to time, then it is said to be at rest. For example, bed in a room, chair and table in classroom, wall paintings, etc. 2. Body in motion. When any body changes its position with respect to surroundings and with time, then it is said to be in motion. For example, moving train, cricketers playing in ground, flying bird, etc. Types of motion. 1. Translatory motion. The motion in which all the parts of a body cover the same distance in the same time via any path is called translatory or translational motion. There are 2 types of translational motion. A. Rectilinear motion. Motion of an object along a straight line or road is called as rectilinear motion. Examples of a rectilinear motion are train on a straight track, movement of a lift, Sprinters running in a 100-meter race. B. Curvilinear motion. Translational motion along a curved path is called as curvilinear motion. Examples of curvilinear motion are any zigzag movement like that of a snake, movement of a ball on a parabolic path. 2. Rotatory motion or circular motion. The kind of motion in which different parts of a body move in circular motion with respect to a fixed point is called circular motion. Examples of a rectilinear motion are the movement of Potter's wheel, the spinning wheel, circular motion of a ceiling fan. 3. Oscillatory motion. Motion of a body to and fro or back and forth along a fixed path is called oscillatory motion. Examples of oscillatory motion include movement of a pendulum, movement of a suspended spring, movement of a swing. Time period of the pendulum is the time taken for one complete oscillation of the pendulum. On the basis of repetition of the frequency of occurrence, motions can broadly be classified into following categories. 1. Periodic motion. A motion which repeats itself after a fixed time interval is called as periodic motion. Examples of periodic motion are movement of hands of a clock, motion of a needle in a sewing machine. The needle in the sewing machine moves up and down continuously as long as the wheel rotates. 2. Non-periodic motion. A motion which repeats itself but not after a fixed time interval is called as non-periodic motion. Examples of non-periodic motion: movement of clouds in the sky, moving of air or wind. The distance from A to C or A to B is called amplitude. Again, on the basis of speed, the motion can be classified into two broad categories on the basis of their uniformity. Critical thinking. All the planets revolve around the Sun and also rotate on their own axis. So, all the planets undergo both rotatory and curvilinear motion. 1. Uniform motion. If a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time along the same straight path, the body is said to be in uniform motion. Example of uniform motion is motion of a car along a straight level road at a constant speed. 2. Non-uniform motion. If a body covers unequal distance in equal time interval along the same straight path, then the body is said to be in non-uniform motion. Example of non-uniform motion is motion of an accelerating object continuously changing direction. Continuous review. Quantitative analysis of unknown quantity with the help of known fixed quantity is called as measurement. SI unit system is a universally accepted system. Distance is the straight line length between any two places. Any body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time and with respect to surroundings. Different types of motion include translational motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, periodic and non-periodic motion, and uniform and non-uniform motion.
Like, share and subscribe.